before. Imagine there's a candle there.
Oh my God!
Yeah! Yeah!
Woo!
Bang!
I love the song.
Wala na.
Oh, hey!
Oh my God.
Kaboom! Ba! There you go, man. Good fortune for you guys. Don't forget later on, you guys should dance if you guys digested already. If you're still hungry, get some more food because the party is still happening. Of course, we got the guys from Grassroots. Later on, we got Burning Culture performing live for you guys. And of course, we got DJ Punk, DJ Marlon on the mix later on. So you guys just wait up for that. One more time, put your hands together for Grassroots. Nathan James, happy birthday, guys.
Close to you, yes, I'm so hungry that I cry for my soul when it gets thirsty. Without you, there's no me, you're the end that I think. Sometimes the world is dark and I just can't see. It is demons run all around me, without so negativity, but I believe, yes, I believe, I believe. I'm such a want to keep on getting down on one thing. I'll fight with all of my mind and then deceive myself. I should face for your face, for right, and I believe I should face for face, for right, and I believe. Out of darkness, can find my light that is the height. No night burning up, I'll do my fight. Then I take you to my God. I gave myself to you, but I guess it's somebody and I said, oh my God. So love and feeling, I want to say that now. It's not something real, but it's feeling. Whenever I'm home and I feel it, I gave myself to you, but I guess it's somebody and I said, oh my God. So love and feeling, I want to say that now. Strip away the layers and reveal your soul. You got to leave yourself up and then you become whole. You're a slave to yourself and let's all be better. You wanna live the fast life, but you're faithful slow. You can kinda stay high, wanna stay low. You are God, but you can't desert your ego. You're already there, and there's nowhere to go. If your cup's already full, then it's going to overflow. If you're running in the waters and you can't